This is going to be our first project, and we're going to make use of all these resources that are here. I believe by now you have watched everything on Introduction to Pixel Lab. I've already imported them on Pixel Lab so that our work will be easy. So these are the 7 or 8 resources that we need. Alright, so I want you to sit tight. If you haven't watched, go and watch that particular one. So let's start. So this is the first one. I'm going to bring the background to the front and lock it. All right, so bring all the background I need, take it to the front. So all these resources will be available for you so you can work with them. All right, so I'm going to design a clothing business flyer for beavers wear. Yeah, for beavers wear, it's going to be very simple and precise. And first you go on your text and you click on your beavers, you search for beavers, then you go to style and do that. Click on font. Then for the font you're going to use um coming um all right, I'm just trying to select the font that goes well. I think build tidings. So this is the font you're going to use for this cloth. All right, so we're using build tidings, so we duplicate it. Then here we're going to write where's. Yes, exactly. Then we'll go to our shadow and give it a shadow. Then we'll take it to off to white. Then we'll blur it a little bit, reduce the opacity, so that the words can be under the beavers. All right, so after you've done that, reduce the size of the words and position it under the beavers. Then next we're going to positioning. So take it to back, and I want you to watch carefully, and if the video is fast you can slow it. So we gonna, all right, so I'm just trying to increase the size and position it well that it will fit in for the design. All right, so I told you that one thing about design is simplicity, so we are trying to make this design as simple as possible and matured. All right, so go to your shapes and click on shapes, then click on your radius. Right, reduce radius. Then next thing you're gonna do is to bring it down. Click on your radius, bring it down. Then yeah, position it to your, you click on the front and bring the suit to the front. Then the other resources, I've told you that all these things I've already imported them. The reason is because I don't want to be going to the gallery and be bringing in one after the other, which is going to make our video longer. So place it on this. Then go to our shadow effect. This is our shadow effect, the one I imported. This is it. Then you go to your color, remove background, remove it, place it at this side. Then go to your, yes, go to your color, go to your opacity, reduce the opacity. Then you bring it down, so you just position it well a bit, so that our this thing will be resting. Go to your shapes again. I want you to watch this place carefully. I'm going to do this. So you go to your shapes and reduce the opacity. Then you select your stroke, take your stroke to 1, then position it at this place. Go to your shapes again, click on your shapes and bring it, change the color to red. We are going to merge these two together. All right, going to merge these two together. Then we'll go to our remove background, click on Applica tool and remove it. After you have done that, the next thing you are going to do is to go to your crop and crop it. So we now have something like this. The reason why we did this is because we can adjust this, and that line will not be distorted. To maintain its quality the way we want it to be. All right. So after you have done with that, let's bring these other resources here. Go to remove background and remove it. Then take it to that side again. Exactly. All right. The next one is that yes, you next one coming, just trying to do something here. All right. Just if that one, I wanted creating something, but I think it's not working actually. So since it's not working, let me just improvise. So go to your shapes and select this, then change the color to reduce it and change the color to black. All right. Right. Then we are going to copy this one. After we'll copy it and we'll reduce the size. All right. So we'll now place it at that top. Then no, you can still adjust this one and place it well. So the next thing we're going to do now is to bring our text. I've already written the text down so that the video will not be long, but you know how to write your text by now if you really watch the videos on introduction to Pixel. So I've written all these texts, and you just select the fonts you want, but make sure that the font is 3, maximum of 3, and not more than that. Okay, so same font here, we're going to bring this the same, the same font I'm using here is the same font I'm using for service. All right. And the same fonts that I've used to write Suits, Agbada, Native, all those things, that's the same font I use for Stadium, Road, and Ingba. So you can, that max, if you check this image, I just use 3 fonts here. All right. So you can select, if you are designing, make sure it's 3 font maximum. All right. And simplicity must be noted, must not simplicity. So let's align our work now and bring everything to that particular line. So you can, yeah, you're just trying to align everything at the edge so that they'll be on the same line, and you can see it carefully that there's alignment at the side and at the top and at this side also, and the down. So you must take note of that. This flyer is quite simple, and I want you to watch the video carefully again and again and do it until you get it right. So this is all for this video, and thank you for watching.